My name is Athanasios Sapounas. I'm working as a research scientist at TNO. TNO is the Netherlands Organization for Applied Scientific Research. In particular, I'm working in the expertise group of building physics and systems in the team of greenhouse technology. The water management project is related to the management of resources and water treatment systems in modern greenhouses. We know that there is a strong need for better management of resources in greenhouses and mainly resources related to water. And this need comes from the fact that there is limited availability of irrigation water, especially in water scarcity areas, and there are increasing regulations for use of water. At the same time, the climate change is expected to influence also the availability of water, so definitely there is a need to design better water systems and manage better our water resources in modern greenhouses. So the aims of water management project are first is to develop a model to describe mathematically all the water flows and processes related to water use inside the greenhouse, to develop a software module for this water management and integrate this module in our main simulation software, SEOM. And the third target is to install experimental sensors, get the data and validate our models. We expect that the result of this project will be a software tool that can be used by the companies to design more efficient water management systems for greenhouses. SEOM is the acronym of System Integration and Optimization Model, which is actually simulation software for greenhouse projects developed by TNO together with Hortivation. SEOM was developed as a result of necessity to developing software tools for the greenhouse construction companies, and the combination of this necessity, knowledge of TNO and strong relation with the companies makes possible to develop SEOM. SEOM has a modular architecture. So the water management will be a module, software module, which will be integrated in SEOM software. We install 6+ water flow meter sensors in experimental trial in World Horti Center. We analyze the data and we use this data to validate our models. Dutch greenhouse construction sector is a very export-oriented sector, and although the Dutch greenhouse construction companies are doing extremely well, I would say that there are still challenges should be faced by them, and these challenges are related to find the proper solution for local conditions, because they are building greenhouses all over the world. I think this project fits exactly to this frame to make the Dutch greenhouse construction sector more competitive. TNO has very strong relation with Dutch greenhouse construction companies. Hortivation collaborates with TNO in terms of development technology and design tools for the Dutch greenhouse construction companies in order to design better greenhouses. And I have to say that this collaboration is very good, but also for us it's really very important because we have direct feedback from the companies, and this is the most important for a researcher to see that what he's thinking, the developments and the ideas and the projects fits exactly to the requirements of industrial sector.